We have another new to me Dickens Village building that we're adding to our little collection. So this is Mr. and Mrs. Pickle. It was introduced in December of 1994 and it was retired in December of 1997. Mr. and Mrs. Pickles has a two-story Tudor-style cottage with a thatched roof. We got the large chimney on top, 5 windows, and a window in the door that allow light to come through. Sign over here that says Mr. and Mrs. JB Pickle, a wreath on the side of the house, 3 windows on this side, and then we have where the light plugs into the back of the building over here. Looks like a stack of coal maybe at the back of the house. And then on this side of the house we have Mr. and Mrs. Pickles Antiques Store. So there's a sign that says antiques, wreath on this door, a couple little windows that allow light to come through, a window over here at the top of the house, then just shingled roof here, and then a window over here. Look at the cute little basket hanging off the side of the building, and then the back door. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the bookcase. I think Mr. and Mrs. Pickles cottage will look cute right next to the crooked fence cottage. So we're gonna need to move over the farm animals, and then we're gonna need to move Santa, his sleigh, and Mrs. Claus. Just put them up here for now. And then just kind of move all the farm animals over a little bit. And then put the light in the back of the building here.